Every productivity app gives you an archive, a place for ideas that you're not pursuing yet. Something like someday maybe. That's the GTD term for it. A library of things you care about, but aren't ready to start it yet. It is a reasonable concept, but it is also where ideas go to accumulate until you've had like 847 of them. That's 100% a real number, and opening that folder triggers a 2-hour spiral of re-evaluating every decision that you've ever made. The ADHD brain specifically doesn't do well with attractive archives because an attractive archive is full of options, and options are novelty, and novelty is dopamine. Novelty is what your brain is gonna prefer to whatever you were supposed to be doing. A someday maybe folder isn't a place ideas rest, it's a trap. So we've built the trash box, and we've spent actual engineering effort making it look bad. Here it is. The trash box is where everything goes that's not this month. It is not a to-do list. It's not an inbox. It is intentionally uninviting. The color scheme is different. The weight of the UI is different. The experience of opening it is supposed to feel slightly wrong. Not broken, but wrong. Because you shouldn't want to spend time there. If you're avoiding the trash box, that's the correct use of the trash box. Adding something to the trash box takes 5 seconds. You pull it from the dump box, from the projects box, from anywhere, and you drop it here. Now it's not in your active space. Your brain isn't holding the loop on it. It's now gone in the trash box, and you know it. Your brain knows it, and that's what's important. Your brain will stop asking about it. Periodically, once a month, maybe once a quarter, you open the trash box and make an actual decision. Some things may be promoted back into actual projects, but most things you'll find that they get permanently deleted by you because you look at them 3 months later and can't remember why you even had them there in the first place. And that's alright. Okay, that's fine. That's the correct outcome. The trash box held the loop so your brain can keep moving. And as usual, the full architecture behind this, why open loops kill productivity, specifically for ADHD brains, and why the visual design of an archive matters, is in the Zalfol method article on the trash box. Link is in the description. Next in the series, tutorial 4. Nope, that's not the next one. Go watch tutorial 5 first. Goldfish mode, the execution layer. Subscribe so you don't lose the link.